Hey everyone, here's a video on how to make bulk changes in the estimate view. So the cost information view at the bottom here, this is going to be your modification window. So if I select these three line items and I want to update my WBS property, then I can come down here and change my bid package to something else other than what's there. Tab out, hit update, and those change here. Same things for let's say the quantity. I'm gonna make this a different quantity, make that 100, update, and that also changed the quantity as well. If I have, the reason for that is that these three line items are the same, so they're going to show the same cost here in the bottom. Just like if I want to change the productivity to something else, then they all change the same way. Now, if I want to say I want to update multiple line items to something else, once I go across these, so I'm dragging my cursor along this line here, as you can see, everything is blank out here except for the stuff that have the same cost. And the reason for that is because I'm going across different areas that have different values. So for instance, if I want to make these the same description, I can put overtime allowance here. I can say I want them all to be the same. Labor productivity here. Give them the same rate table here. And let's make them all the same costs. Once I tab out and update, then that is going to update everything. As you can see, the same name here. The labor resource that I selected got updated, as well as the equipment costs. So that is how you will do a bulk modification in your estimate view. All right, thank you very much.